Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. Have you ever wondered how SmartForm Publisher knows exactly where to place a customer's name or a project date inside your document? It's not magic. It's the power of markers. Markers are the essential bridge between your Google form and your template. A marker is a placeholder wrapped in double curly braces. It tells the add-on, whatever is typed in this form question, put it right here. The most important rule? The text inside the braces must match your Google form question exactly, including spaces and capitalization. When designing your template, simply look at your form questions. If your question is company name, type company name into your doc, sheet, or slide. In the SmartForm Publisher sidebar, you can verify your mapping. The add-on will automatically detect your markers and link them to the corresponding form fields. Mastering markers is the secret to unlocking total document automation. Once you get the mapping right, the possibilities are endless. Install SmartForm Publisher today and start building your automated future. Visit gwaddons.com to learn more.